With our XPRAT Confluence trading strategy, one of the tools that we use is the VWAP Predator. This is a short video to show you how combining VWAP with volume for stronger confluence momentum identification is very, very important. Momentum is important. It's the last piece of the puzzle. So when VWAP Predator keeps you out of a trade and keeps you out of trouble, this is an important factor as well. So we can see here that our anchor strategy down on the bottom right, 23-minute on this US dollar Swiss franc, comes in, and that's one part of that confluence. Then top right we have the XPRAT algo that comes in as well, so that confluence is building. However, we get no VWAP Predator signal after the anchor strategy. There is no signal to say that momentum is going. In fact, the only signal that the VWAP Predator gave was before the anchor strategy. And we have some very, very simple rules. The anchor strategy has to come in first. Then the VWAP can come in before the XPRAT algo or after, but it can't come before, because that momentum needs to be gotten after we've got that start of that confluence. So the result of this trade was that there was no momentum. The momentum failed. It came back and taken out the stop. So not having all of those non-correlated indicators together in our Confluence trading bundle, and again the link will be down below, it's important to understand that you can't get a full picture. You can't just rely on one indicator, two indicators. These have been designed to work together to give you initial anchors to say this is the direction we'll be going in, then to get that confluence from the XPRAT algo. But finally, we need that momentum confirmation, and we don't get it. And we don't get the confirmation from the bias depth heat map, but we didn't need it anyway because there was no trade. When VWAP Predator identifies confluence momentum, that's when the trades really happen. So again, we get our anchor strategy come in. That's our first indication. Then the XPRAT algo comes in with a 6-star sell. Momentum is, in theory, now confluence is getting there. Then we get our VWAP Predator signal to confirm that confluence. Then we're in that trade purely because we have that final confirmation of momentum, and all 6 time frames are red on the bias depth heat map. We have full confluence in a short space of time. The resulting trade is very big on this short. This red line coming down here is our trailing stop adjust position. As this comes down, every time this candle closes, we adjust the trailing stop until it's taken out and the profit is taken. It's that simple. VWAP Predator, the VWAP Predator is there that looks at both VWAP, the extensions, and volume crossing those extensions. So again, this has been a very short video, but I wanted to show the power of combining VWAP with volume for stronger confluence momentum identification. It is a part of the puzzle of the confluence trading strategy powered by XPRAT.